Good morning. We all know the Spark portal is a goldmine of scientific data. But what happens when you take that data offline? It becomes a chaotic mess. Today, we introduce SPARCHIVE, the tool that tames your Spark data, making it powerful and portable even without an internet connections. We are from Team A. I am Harris, the team lead of the team. I'm also the developer working on the full stack stuff. We have Akram, which is also the developer and working on the documentation. And also we have Maryam, who is also working as a developer as well as working with the documentation. For researchers, working with Spark data locally presents a real headache. You lose access the moment your Wi-Fi drops. Your downloads quickly become a scattered mess of folders and files, impossible to keep organized. Want to share a dataset with a colleague? Good luck. It's too big and complex. And exploring the data means juggling multiple applications just to preview different file types. These frictions slow down discovery. SPARCHIVE solves this. It's an all-in-one desktop command center for your Spark data. It's offline first, so your entire library is always available. It introduces the SPARCHIVE format, packaging complex dataset into a single shareable file, and it lets you explore with insight, turning your data from a black box into an open book. Let's take a quick look on the functionality that SPARCHIVE offers. First, you use the browser to search the entire Spark portal. You can see now we found a dataset of cancers. And to download the data, it's just pretty simple. You can just click the download and the SPARCHIVE application will package it for you into a SPARCHIVE file format. The data that you have downloaded will appear in the library, and here you can also upload your own SPARCHIVE format, which means that the SPARCHIVE format is very transferable. So for example, if you want to share data between your colleagues, you can just share the SPARCHIVE data and you can upload it to your own library to see it live. From here, we can open the dataset and also we can go through the file viewer. On the left, you see the entire file tree, which we can search. On the right, we can instantly preview any of the file that is being shown. So for example, you can preview the images, you can preview the CSV files, you can preview Excel files, JSON files, and we're planning to incorporate more file format in the future. With SPARCHIVE as well, right now we're planning to integrate the signups. So instead of just looking from the data that we get from Spark portal, the user can also generate some synthetic data. In this case, generating the synthetic EEG data. But SPARCHIVE isn't just about convenience, it's about better science. It directly enhances the FAIR data principle, which is what this hackathon is about. SPARCHIVE makes the data findable with its browser functionality. Accessible by being offline, and interoperable through the simple shareable SPARCHIVE format. Most importantly, by solving this problem, it makes the data radically more reusable, whether by you or by your colleagues. To get started with SPARCHIVE is very simple. So we created a release note of our latest application, and because SPARCHIVE is built in Electron, it makes it multi-platform. So it's not only available for MacBook or for Mac OS system, but it can also available for Windows system. But at the moment, because of the limitation of the time of the hackathon, we can only generate the application for the Mac OS. For SPARCHIVE, we have so much idea that we want to build upon, but because of the limitation of the time, as I said previously, we cannot do it. So like, for example, we want to build SPARCHIVE for other platforms as well. We want to add more advanced source filter, we want to add dataset versioning, and also we want to expand on what kind of file the user will be able to preview. With this, we want to acknowledge the mentors that has been very helpful throughout the hackathon, the open source community, and the flat icon creator, because we've been using it a lot for our SPARCHIVE application. Thank you very much.